mic. And what's yours?
My name is Tata.
Yours.
My name is Farhan.
Yes.
My name is Jason.
Yes.
My name is Ananta.
Yes.
My name is Irfan.
Yes.
My name is Irfan.
And again, my name is Michael. Alright, so I'm teaching you here today from your book. This is the letter, it's a digraph, it's a two sounds.
G.
Make one sound. Okay, how to do it? Everybody do it. Cha,
Cha cha cha
cha,
cha
cha, 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 cha.
cha.
Can you feel the air? Right? Can you feel the air? Push lots of air outside. Cha, 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 cha. Sounds right. Can you do it? What's your name?
My name is Irfan.
Just listen to me for me, right? Right. Can you please say your name louder?
Cha.
Alright, no, your name.
My name is Irfan.
Alright, Arfa, okay. Arfa, can you do it? Cha. Just look up there.
Cha.
Cha. Push the air. Look at me. Cha. Push lots of air. Cha. Cha. Can you feel the air? Look at it. Cha. 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 Do you feel some? Do you feel some air? Cha. 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 Okay. Now let's do it. So when you say cha, you make your mouth smaller. Alright? Cha. Okay. Let me write some word for you. Cha. Ha. Everybody say cha. Ah. Ah. Ha. Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Muhammad.
Please come here. Come here and just look back into the can. And can you speak this word?
Cha cha.
Yes. Ah.
Ah.
Now connect this word. Connect it. So how it sounded?
Chapa.
Now close it and the pa.
Cha.
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 So you pronounce it by opening your mouth, okay? And do it. Cha.
Cha.
Good job. Now can you see into the camera and say cha?
Cha.
Good job. Have a seat, please. Clap for him. Yes, please come here. And now do it. Cha.
Cha.
Just look back. Look at the camera. Say cha. Oh my God, this is too big. Okay, just look at it. Do like this. Cha.
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 Good job. This something? Butterfly. Yes, have a seat, please. Your turn, please come here. Now, can you do it? Cha.
Cha.
Good job. So don't say chop. Don't say chop. No, cha.
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 Okay, we can give you one more word. CHIP. Okay, so everybody look back and say bye-bye. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. Okay.